Hey folks, check this out. We have got a really cool piece here. We're cleaning out our warehouse. We just keep buying so many cool things that some things have to go. When we pull it out and see it on a day like today, it's like, why are we letting this go? But anyway, it is going to be for sale. It's a 1958 Glastron Seaflite Seville. This is built with a new material called fiberglass. Prior to this, they were wooden boats. Wooden boats are cool and all. Tell me how many you want and I'll find them for you. You can't find these 50s style fiberglass boats. They're just really, really hard to come by. We purchased this from a bit of an expert that's collected these boats for many years. We were able to buy them from him, and we just don't have room for all of them. So we're going to walk around it. I'll tell you what I know about it. I'm no boat expert, but I will say this thing is just the coolest thing there is. It comes with the vintage trailer. You put this behind your car, you'll be the hit of any car show. Park it in your collection. I'm telling you, they're going to walk past your cars and they're going to check out this boat. So starting in the back, it has car-like tail fins. These were kind of modeled after cars of that period at that time. And it's in very good condition, been repainted, has some nice original chrome hardware, just little details, and this is like a car, I think a Pontiac or some car looked like that. We've got the material that would go in here that would look totally awesome if you took the minute and put that in that right there. That would really make it pop. The side moldings all look to be in very good shape. Sea Flite emblem. This looks like it's like a brushed aluminum or stainless right here. But all the original trim is actually very good. This is like a family style boat. It's what you take the kids and the wife and you go out in the afternoon. There's sliding windows. Yes, you got a nice cabin to go to if it did rain or someone want to take a nap. I love these cleats up here. They look like little airplanes. There's a matching one in the middle here. This car compartment opens up, goes right into the cabin space, which you can see is all restored inside. Maybe we should scrunch down and look underneath. You can see the boat, the fiberglass is in excellent shape. It's shiny. This trailer, it's a teeny trailer. This is an authentic trailer. We have a collection of these boats. Several of them don't have the vintage trailer. This one will come with it. This right here is just a really cool piece. Look at how neat that is. That could just be on my desk as a conversation piece, but very cool. Again, the fiberglass, it's not cracked or beat up. It's all smooth. It's all shiny. I think that's like some sort of plastic plexiglass curved window. The side windows are glass. I don't know if you can show up on top there. It's all painted real nice. It has a set of horns, set of spotlights. Now, the light isn't even hooked up. So as far as being functional, it's very simple. You might have to do a little work to make this seaworthy. Right now, we've just used it as a display piece. Never even attempted to put it on the water. It's got twin engines on the back. They were set on here. It just looks really cool with the two Mercury engines. It just adds to the the look of the boat and the cool factor of the boat. And then we can get a peek inside here. It's reupholstered. The inside is painted. It has new flooring. It has the two tall chairs. Check out the steering wheel. Looks like it's right off of a car. Look at the gauges. It has a compass there in the middle. Tachometer. Cool stuff. Sea Flite emblem. And then you got the upper windshield. Also like a curved plexiglass. So this is a really neat old boat. Try finding them. We bought 5 or 6 boats from this guy. We've known him for decades. We had to pry them away from him. They were not for sale, and we wanted some of these boats for our museum. And We've owned this one for several years. It's been in our warehouse, and I just don't have room for all of them. So reluctantly, we've decided to sell it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see the pictures and the price and the information, and that's where you can talk to a salesman about any of the questions you may have. It's at volocars.com. Thanks for watching.